In this video, I'm going to talk through a common manual handling challenge, and that's reaching down low to access objects. If you did a risk assessment, you might come up with the idea of not storing objects down low, but in this example, we need to use all the space in this cupboard, so there is objects stored down low. So what we want to avoid in this situation is a stoop. So that would be planting the feet and using the back like a crane to access those objects, places an unnecessary amount of strain on the back. Better options, the options that if your knees are nice and healthy that you would choose are a half kneel or a full kneel. So they would look like so. So a half kneel would be down on one knee to access this object, nice and close to the trunk, and up we come to carry that to where we need to go. The other option would be, some people prefer two knees on the ground. That's okay if your knees are up for it and the floor's not too hard on your knees. I could come down on two knees to access this object. Getting up from here is a challenge. We'd usually recommend 1 foot and then coming up, making sure you're turning your feet and walking to where you need to go. So we want to avoid the stoop. We want to use better mechanics. You could use a half kneel, you could use a full kneel. Of course, you could also use the squat from other videos as well to access those objects. So preferably choose any of those techniques rather than the stoop when you do need to access objects that are down low.